In every level, the Tyaga, actually Tyaga is not moral lesson. It is a scientific lesson. In my Gurukul, Tyaga should be added under the classification of science, not moral. It's a science of living, not morals of living. No. The best body, best mind, you manifest with Tyaga. When I say wake up in Brahma Muhurta, 4:30 to 6, if you give up your sleep, that Tyaga makes your DNA develop in the natural selection process. Take a quantum jump, which will make your brain never fall into coma. You will be alive and aware even when you go into dream, deep sleep, and even when you leave the body. Ichcha mrityutva. The death by will given to you if you wake up in Brahma Muhurta. Anybody wakes up in Brahma Muhurta, eats sun's energy, Surya Karanas. The gift of sun is the early morning sunrise time, the energy he gives and the light he showers. Whoever wakes up in the Brahma Muhurta and eats that sun's gift is given Ichcha Mrityutva. Understand? Between 7 to 14, body develops. Unfortunately, nowadays, even by 10, boys and girls become physically matured. So when I say 14 to 21, I meant in those days. If I have to precisely tell from the time you are physically matured to 21, that's the way I should put it. Because nowadays kids become physically matured due to the altered food and various reasons and social pressure to become sexually active, all that stupidity. By 10, they become sexually mature. From the time you become sexually matured till 21, every time you sacrifice the pleasure and visualization of sexual experience in multiple level, not only not allowing the pleasure, not allowing the fantasy, not allowing the pornography being fed into your system. If you just do Tyaga of sex completely, every time you renounce, do Tyaga, your DNA in the natural selection process takes a quantum jump and selects next level. That develops kind of a very powerful ability to cognize the existence, because the sexual hormones are the most powerful hormones. When you are able to do Tyaga of the instincts invoked in you by the sexual hormones, you develop certain energy, strength, grooves in your brain and the whole system, which is beyond normal survival, multiplication, instinct-based existence.